Cooking at Home with Izzy. I hope everyone is having a blessed day. Today I'm gonna show you my delicious recipe for mashed red potatoes from scratch. Let's cook. Today I am preparing for a family of 6. Easily modify a recipe to serve less or more. My ingredients today are potatoes, salt, skim milk, sour cream, quarter of a cup of butter. First, we're going to wash and peel the potatoes. Now that our potatoes are peeled, it's time to cut them in pieces so they can cook quickly. It's time to rinse them. I like to rinse them till the water is completely clear. Fill the pan with water until you see the potatoes are totally covered. We're gonna add a little bit of salt and we're gonna turn our potatoes on high. It's time to make our mashed potatoes. After mixing, add salt to your taste. Now that our mashed potatoes are done, cover until we're ready to serve. Now it's time to eat. Thank you for watching.